If an elephant sneezes, what will you do? It's so powerful. What will these little animals do? We need to build something to keep the animals safe from the elephant's sneeze. What do we have? Maybe some Play-Doh? Maybe some paper from recycling. What can you do? You can cut it. You can fold it. You can even make a zigzag. Maybe we can use some clips. And I can stick it in the Play-Doh. That's a roof, but how can we protect the animals from the wind from the side? I think I need some more paper, and I'm going to build a shelter for my animals. How can you build a shelter for your animals? What do you have? What can you use to build a shelter to protect them from the elephant's sneeze?